Welcome back viewers. In today's video, we are going to take a look at Cosmic Desktop. So we had installed the Cosmic Desktop in kachyos in the last video, and in this video, of course, we are going to take a detailed look at the Cosmic Desktop. So if you remember a few months back, we had checked out the Alpha 1 version of Cosmic Desktop in the Pop OS. So that time the desktop was under rapid development, and all the new features were getting introduced, and it was a little rough to use. But now maybe the usage has become more fluent, and all the features will be now much more stable. So we will take a look at the Cosmic Desktop in Arch Linux, that is in CachyOS. We are going to take the look at Cosmic Desktop. So let us start. I had encrypted the root drive, so we'll have to use the decrypt password. So this is the session manager of CachyOS. So I think it was KDE desktop that we already checked. Now you can see you have to manage the sessions from here. This is the session manager, and you have got two Plasma Wayland and Plasma Xorg is there. Session is there. So now a third Cosmic session has come up. You have to click on the Cosmic session, and you have to input your user password. So we will have to tweak the graphics. You can see here it is not from screen end to screen end, so we'll have to do that ourselves. So this means that the Cosmic development still needs improvement, because if it is complete, the development is complete, then the resolution should scale automatically to the best scale that fits the our screen. You can see here there are two pointers, so this is also some issue. There should be only one pointer on the screen. Again, it has lost the focus. You can see here. Now the focus has come back again. So it is trying to adjust with the screen available screen resolution. So I think still the Cosmic Desktop is rough. It will require some more work to make it mature. You can see here it is not coming up. Till the pointer is flickering, the whole screen is flickering. It is trying to min max. Still it is not coming up. This is the beauty of doing reviews. So checking out the new ISO in a virtual machine and taking a review of that desktop, it will tell you how your desktop experience will be when you install it on your bare metal. There is some issue. What we can do is, no, it is losing focus. So I think there is a issue. What we can do, let us go back. Let us try it once again. Still the same problem. What we can do is, let us force shut down. Let us first boot into the KDE desktop. Then we will do a system update. And after system update, we will reboot into Cosmic Desktop. So that will install any new update. So if some bug fixes are there for the Cosmic Desktop, those will be installed, and then maybe it will work in a virtual machine. Okay, so what we will do is we will change it to valid, input our password, and first thing that we will do is we will update the system. Okay, so let us open the terminal, that is console for the KD desktop, and do sudo pacman dash syu. Definitely there is a big update pending. You can see here 600 MB of update is there. So anything regarding the Cosmic desktop? I don't see anything specific the Cosmic desktop. So let us install this and then we will reboot the system and then we'll try again the Cosmic desktop. It should work probably. Okay, so now we will reboot the system. Okay, so now we will pick the Cosmic session. Let us see. if this time Cosmic boots up or not. I think this time it will boot. There is some issue with the Cosmic desktop this time also. You can see it's still not booting up. So this way, the Cosmic desktop is not booting. I think we should stop the video. I will try another method, that is I will directly install the Cosmic desktop while selecting the desktop for CachyOS. During the installation, I will select the Cosmic desktop and maybe we will try with that. So we will stop the video here. You can see this is the actual issues that can come up when you try a new ISO, because it is a rolling release for Arch Linux, and what happens is in rolling releases new and new updates come up and they sometimes uh, mess up the systems, and then you get such results. But it is a learning. You learn much more when you face more difficulties. If you don't face any difficulties, you will not learn much. So what we will do is we will keep on experimenting. So experimenting helps us to gather knowledge. We will do a direct install of Cosmic desktop in a VM, and then we will do a detailed review. So let us meet in the next video. Bye bye.